Hello. In the previous video, we were able to install our on-premises data gateway, and now we are going to proceed with setting up the files again. Okay, so this is my as last time we created OPDG. My gateway is the gateway name, and the same gateway is appearing over here in the listing. Okay, so our gateway part is completed. Now we will link the particular files in this laptop. Previously it was linked to some other laptop. Now we will be connecting to this particular laptop. Before that, I want to explain the path, or I want to tell something about the path. Currently in this particular report, we have got files. Hmm. You can see the file path was C drive 2024 BI report 2, and then we had multiple files, like 4 files. So this was the location, and in this laptop also I have created the same path C drive 2024 BI report 2, which has got files. Relevant files are here, and also I have created another location like D drive Excel data, and again we have got this file. So what I want to explain, there are two cases. One is we are just replacing the on-premises data gateway, the name of that on-premises data gateway. One is changing the file location itself. So changing the file path, that part I will be covering in the next video, but here we are just changing the on-premises data gateway. Only we are pointing the file into different laptop or any other devices. So coming back to this, we will be using the same path which is mentioned over here, C drive 2024 BI report 2, and then for file names. So this we have got in the same location all the files. So coming back to our reports, my workspace, and then we will be clicking on this scheduled report. A database type of icon is there, and we will be coming to this place, that is gateway and cloud connection. And here this is the old on-premises data gateway, which is working now also. We have not changed it till now. And this is the current, the on-premises data gateway, which is installed over here, but this is not configured correctly. So we will configure it. I'm adding the gateway. See, this is the path. Okay, I'm changing this uh, OPDG and file test. Okay, and I am changing this path to like D drive. Okay, and I am giving the authentication. It is necessary that you give the correct username and password, else the data refreshing may cause issue. So please provide the correct username and password, but for the testing purpose I am skipping this part, and I am selecting private in this particular option, general privacy level. It is better to have a private privacy level, and then I'm creating. So once I create, you will be able to see that this particular here, it will show, it will not have like this drop downs, it will be blank. Okay, because we were trying to change the path, that's why it failed. In short, I will say it failed. And next time, now I am trying to, I will not change the path, but I will be creating uh, just the new connection to the on-premises gateway. I'm just changing it. I have to give this valid username and password, but I'm skipping, and I'm creating this private create. So now you will see a drop down which will appear where we can select a new connection, on premises data gateway connection. See, we have got the drop down, and even the particular one which we created is appearing here. The same way we will be creating for all the particular files. I am not changing the path. Again, username password. You have to give the valid username password. I'm skipping for testing purpose, and privacy level I'm setting it private. Create. Same. This is the same thing we have to process. We have to do for all the four files. See, it has started coming. Third gateway. And again, you have to give a valid username and password for that for this particular laptop, and it will be able to connect, but I am skipping for the time being. Privacy level is private. Create. See, it is also created. Third one and fourth one. You have to give the valid username and password. I'm skipping for the time being. Or privacy level is private. Done. All the four particular uh, kind of files are mapped now. You can see it moved up. Okay, it was previously the third position. It has become valid now, and I am selecting the relevant files or path connection, all the four. Press the apply button. Now it will get linked to this particular. Okay, you got the message also. Now it is done. So now our that report will start using the new report, new files. Sorry, new files. It will, you will not be able to refresh that. And one more thing, to refresh the particular report, you have to use this button, refreshing the data, and here our report is coming here properly, and yeah. Yeah, here also we have got the refresh button, which we can refresh. This is the report. Now your data, this report is linked to this particular laptop files. Now, in the third video, I will be explaining how to change the path of that particular file. Like from C drive, you want to move it to some other drive or some other path, then how to do it. For the time being, thank you.